Ever wished you could create stunning music without being a pro musician? Welcome to the future of music creation. Hi everyone, I am Emily, and welcome back to AI Chief, where we explore the best tools to supercharge your creativity. Today, we are exploring Suno AI, the ultimate AI music generator that is changing the way creators make music. So, what is Suno AI? Suno AI is a free AI music generator that helps you create custom, royalty-free music in minutes. Whether you are a YouTuber, Twitch streamer, TikTok creator, or game developer, Suno AI is tailored to your needs. It is perfect for generating background music for videos, creating soundtracks for games, or even adding vibes to your social media content. Let's talk about what makes Suno AI Music Generator a game changer. Number first is its text-to-music creation. Simply type your idea or mood, and Suno turns it into melodies. This feature is a lifesaver for creators who are not musically trained. Number second is its diverse music styles. Suno AI offers genres ranging from cinematic scores to EDM, lo-fi beats, and more. Whether you need music for a high-energy TikTok or a calming YouTube vlog, Suno has you covered. The third existing feature is it offers custom music for videos and games. With Suno AI, you can create tailor-made music that fits your projects perfectly. Guess the fourth one? Yes, you got it right. It offers royalty-free tracks. Forget about licensing headaches. Suno generates music that you can use anywhere, anytime. How does Suno AI stack up against other popular AI music makers like AIVA, Amber Music, or Soundraw? While AIVA focuses on classical compositions, Suno excels in modern, adaptable styles perfect for videos and games. Amber offers pre-made templates, but Suno's text-to-music tool makes it more user-friendly for unique tracks. Soundraw limits customization, whereas Suno lets you fine-tune every element of your music. Now, you have been thinking of how to use Suno AI. Well, getting started with the Suno AI music generator is easy. All you have to do is 1. Visit the Suno AI platform. 2. Select your desired style, mood, or genre. 3. Use the text-to-music feature to describe the kind of track you want. 4. Preview and tweak the settings for a personalized touch. 5. Download your royalty-free music and integrate it into your project. Want the most out of Suno? Here is a secret tip. Adjust tempo, instrumentals, and intensity to match your project's vibe. Thousands of creators are already using Suno AI Music Generator to elevate their content. From stunning AI music for videos to custom game soundtracks, the possibilities are endless. The best part? You can start creating music with Suno AI for free. So what are you waiting for? Transform your projects with the power of AI. Visit Suno AI today to try the best AI music generator and uplift your creativity. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing AI tools and tips from AI Chief. See you in the next one.